With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, suppose we have 12 protons and 12 neutrons, okay? We can assemble them to form either a magnesium nucleus having atomic mass or say mass number equivalent to 24 and two carbon nuclei having atomic mass of 12. In which of the two cases will be there more energy will be liberated? Okay, so we have to say in which of the two cases more energy will be liberated. Okay, so we have 12 protons and 12 neutrons. We can combine them to form either a magnesium nucleus or two carbon nuclei. So for magnesium, what is the atomic number of magnesium? That is 12, and its atomic mass or say mass number is 24. So in this case, we need to add 12 electrons to form magnesium, and 12 electrons electronic configuration would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and then we have 3s2. No shell is empty. We have all the paired electrons in this configuration. Now let's talk about one carbon atom, that is C612. Okay, agreed. So in this we have to add 6 electrons, right? So that becomes 1s2, 2s2, and then we have 2p6. How many orbitals? Sorry, it's 2p, 2. Okay. How many orbitals do we have in p shell? How many orbitals? We have 3 orbitals, right? 1, 2, and 3. In each orbital, there can be maximum of 2 electrons. So in this we have 2. Here we have s orbital as the valence shell. That means the last shell. So we have here 2 electrons. So in this case, in magnesium's case, there is no empty shell, but in carbon's case, we have 2 empty shells, and which in turn means that this magnesium is more stable. Agreed? It's more stable than carbon because it has completely filled orbitals, but here we have 2 empty orbitals, so this is less stable as compared to magnesium. Agreed? So what do we like? Why are we doing this? We need to say which of the two cases more energy will be liberated. What does more energy liberated mean? That means in the formation of anything, if the thing after its formation is like it's becoming more stable, that means more energy will be liberated. More energy will be liberated means the thing that is forming will have less energy as compared to what initially the two things were having that combined to form the third thing. So that means this was initially like we had 12 protons and 12 neutrons. They were initially, let's say, they were having more energy, and then they combined to form magnesium, and now this thing is becoming more stable, so therefore there will be more energy liberated. So this would have less energy, but more energy will be released. Okay, and in this case we are like going towards less stability. That means less energy would be liberated, but it would have more energy. Are you getting my point? It's like this thing would have more energy, but less energy will be released. Okay, in this case it will have less energy but more energy will be released. So that means this is more stable and this is less stable. That's the thing we can use to answer this question, in which of the two cases more energy will be liberated. In this case more energy will be liberated, in this case less energy will be liberated. Well, that's one thing, like we can say that's one explanation to this question. And we can use one more explanation, and that is the binding energy of magnesium per nucleon. Magnesium's binding energy per nucleon is 198.25 mega electron volts. That means more energy. And for this carbon, we have binding energy per nucleon is equal to 92.15 mega electron volts. But now we are forming two carbon atoms, so we have to multiply it with 2. That becomes 184.3 mega electron volt. Now see, in this thing, we have more energy in this case and less energy in this case. So we conclude from this, there will be more energy liberated in magnesium than that of carbon. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.